I'm going to show you in 3 seconds how you can retain more length with minimal effort. Are you ready? And there's no way you can't tell me that doesn't look like my hair. Welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I grew my hair back over the past 3 months and giving you all the details on this unit, so let's get into the video. So here's a quick backstory. My hair last year felt like it did not grow at all. It did grow, but it literally broke off. So I decided to change 3 things. One was take supplements, another one was protective styling, and the last one was using the same hair products. Coincidentally, I was also contacted by HerGivenhair and I jumped at the chance of receiving one of their units because I knew it could not have come at a better time for me. The unit I received was a 20-inch 3-in-1 half wig. This was in the texture 3B to 3C, which is pretty much my hair. This is a glueless clip-on wig, so you literally don't have to worry about anything. You just put it on and go, and I ordered it in the colour natural black. Before installing this unit, I was a little bit apprehensive because I've never been like a massive fan of the whole wig game and wearing wigs. I just feel like you can always tell when someone's wearing a wig because you can see that the little net lace at the front or the glue, and it just never really seems to be natural looking, to be honest, whenever I see wigs. So I've never been a fan of them, although I have always really been intrigued by like curly wigs and like half wigs and like U-part wigs, because I know you can have like your natural hair at the top or part of your natural hair out so you can see the hairline and the parting, and then it doesn't really look that noticeable when you wear it. So as always, this is a super honest review. I'm going to give you the pros and cons of the wig, and I might even give you a cheeky discount if you're interested in it at the end. So as this is always a super honest review from me, I'm going to start with the cons of this wig. The first thing is the colour. I ordered it in a natural black, as I mentioned earlier, but my hair colour is actually more towards a number 4 and it's slightly lighter. So that just means that when my hair is down at the front, the match isn't perfect. My hair is slightly lighter than the actual unit itself. Although that's not a massive issue because you can't tell when it's scraped back, because my hair does look a lot darker when it's got product in it, but when I want to wear it down at the front, it is a little bit noticeable that my hair is slightly lighter. The second thing is the curl pattern. I did mention that it is a 3B to 3C curl pattern, which is absolutely perfect for my hair. However, I don't think that it accurately represents all the different curl patterns in your head. As you know, if you're a curly girl, you may have like a 3A, a 3B, a 3C, a 4A in there. The hair is not just like one uniformed curl pattern all the way through. So that's just one thing I would probably, if I was to criticise and be really picky, I would say I'd like to maybe see a few different curl patterns with the wig. Although I'm happy like to wear it like this because you can't even tell, to be honest, that this actually isn't my hair. And lastly, as you can see on the demo, there's a little drawstring in the back of the unit, which when it comes, it is quite long. I did actually cut this a little bit because I was finding that I was pulling it a little bit tighter and there was quite a lot of material with the elastic at the back. So I did cut this and I tied it again. So I'd probably just like that to be either the elastic to be just a little bit tighter so there's less give in it, which means that I don't have to pull it as much, or just have that little piece of elastic a little bit shorter. So they are all the cons of the wig. Those 3 things are quite minor in my opinion because I have really enjoyed it. So let's get on to the pros. The first thing that I absolutely loved, and I think what is my favourite thing about this wig, is how realistic it is and how well it takes to product. I literally just put in what I would normally use in my hair, a leave-in product, a gel, and it turns out just as well as your normal hair would do. It shampoos well, it conditions well, and again, I just do the exact same thing that I do to my hair in the shower, so it is really quite low maintenance in that respect. Another pro is the density of the wig. It is very full, and when I pack my hair into the back of it, you literally cannot tell there's hair underneath because it is so voluminous that it hides all what's going on underneath. That's why I'm not really too meticulous with the actual style underneath my hair. You can do like twists, you can do braids, you can cane row it, whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be neat because the hair just hides it, because it is so full. That's what I really like about it. Another thing that I really like is the invisible hairline. With a lot of wigs, you can see where the joint meets the hair. You can see where the hair actually meets the track, and on this you can't see, it's covered by the hair, so it's invisible, which is a really fantastic aspect to the wig. And lastly, it is versatile. Although I haven't tried too many styles with this, I mainly just wear it like this in this style. However, I have also done like a middle part with the 2 front bits slicked down and then the wig over. I've seen a couple of people online try this wig out and they've done like a ponytail, or they've slicked the front back and they've had like a nice updo with it. Like, there's so many things you can do with it. But just for me, and just because I'm lazy day to day, I've just been like shoving the front up in a bun and then popping the wig on the back, and that is about as far as I go with it. So overall, my experience with this wig has been like top tier. I couldn't fault it. Obviously, I did mention 3 of the cons, but they are really minor things, and I'm definitely going to be using this more throughout the year to grow my hair a little bit longer. As you know, if you've been following me, I am on a growth journey, and wigs have definitely been helping me with keeping my ends protected and making sure that they don't break. So I'm going to be continuing wearing this wig. You're going to see a lot of it because I'm hella lazy with doing my hair on a day-to-day basis, especially now it's winter and it's freezing outside. I'm not doing my curls for no one. If you want a cheeky discount, you can use my code KekeCS for $60 off this one. I promise you will not regret it because you can see what it looks like. And your girl's always transparent with the reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a half wig or you would be interested in trying it, and I will see you in the next one.